The best app for hiding photos and videos on your Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you the best app for hiding videos and photos easy and fast. First thing, go to Play Store and now go to the top here and search for hide photos and videos like this and click search. Now all what you have to do is choose any app from this. I recommend you to choose this one, it's called Calculator, or you can choose this one also, but this is my recommendation number one. It's like a calculator, so people will not know where you are hiding your private photos. Very easy and fast, and it has 10 million downloads. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.